If you are looking for clocks and alarm clocks, here's a collection you've got to see. At any time you like. Just click this banner and get real-time deal on your favorite products. Number 1, need an alarm clock that helps you fight down oversleeping? Our product wakes you up by its gradually brightening lights and natural sounds. The sunrise simulation, lighten your bedroom gradually from level 110 of brightness before the preset alarm clock time, by AwesomeWare. Number 2, this adorable, talking bedside alarm clock, is also a time-teaching tool and dual-color night light. Click this link below for more details, by Mirari. Number 3, by AcuRite. For real-time updates and price drops, just click this link below. Number 4, travel back to simpler times with the cool, classic design of the retro wall clock. With its all-metal case and glass lens, you are sure to have a durable, accurate wall clock for years to come, by Infinity Instruments. Number 5, Sleep Therapy, Wake Up Light Alarm Clock, with sunrise simulation and 4 natural sounds, by Veholion. Number 6, introducing a new vivid LED dual alarm clock, featuring a charging port for your smartphone or MP3 player. With many adjustable settings, you can set it to how you like it, by Crosse technology. Number 7, by Bulova. Number 8, by Deco79. For more info click this link below. Number 9, by Melita. Number 10, by Tissa.